All right, I'm gonna start day 20 here up in the attic. So we're gonna put the air conditioning condenser unit right here. It's been supported and blocked off over there, so it's supporting the roof and the trusses. Everything is good. So they're gonna be working on that today. We're gonna put some extra wood here and extra wood over there to support for walking. This is the attic. So starting off day 20 right here. Okay, let's move on. All right, back to starting off with day 20. I was just upstairs on the first video with the AC guys. Let me open up my doors here. So right now, the contractors aren't here. The CPS is right there because we're actually, oh, now we have power. Okay. We had no power. There was a power outage. 1 second, hold on. So anyways, we were out of power all night, which didn't make any difference because nobody was here working. So apparently there was a power line down somewhere out in the community. So, but it didn't affect us because we were already finished up for yesterday anyway. So anyways, today, day 20, we have some new things going on. I'm not sure that the contractors are coming today. Working on anything. Oh, damn, I forgot my spray. They might, but right now we have the air conditioner guys. And I just, first part of the video shows you they're going to be installing the air vents and everything. Okay, hold on. We got CPS. Okay, back to day 20. I had to turn the phone off. I was talking to the electric company because we had a power outage. But it really wasn't the power outage. It's the fact that we had disconnected the main box over there to put the siding in because it's disconnected. It's not reading properly. So nothing, no wrong, no foul, no harm. Everything is good. The electricians are here, and the AC guys are upstairs working upstairs. And the electricians, we're going to put in some recessed lights. And some switches and some different things, so they're working their way for that. And meanwhile, when they do get done with that, my job today is tearing out. Oh, by the way, I know I skip everything. We're going to switch to a tankless, so eventually that's going to go away, and the closet's going to be open. Big, huge closet all the way across. So let me back up a little bit, you see. So big, huge walk-in closet. Okay, here in the laundry room, we have the condenser unit, which the guys are working on right now. It's going to go upstairs. So this one's coming out. So since that's coming out, this whole door is going to be taken out, and this is going to be a wall. This wall is going to be removed, which is what I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to rip out this wall. So now this whole becomes a whole big pantry. So once we're done with this, everything's going to be fine, cleaned up down below. Once they remove that thing up, we're going to pack everything back in, and this can be one big pantry. So how you like them apples? That's what I'm working on today. I think that's, oh yeah, also I have to remove all the stuff from the garage walls because we're actually going to start working on the garage this week or next week. And we're going to float it up, paint it, and do all the stuff that we need to do and get the garage ready for everything else. So once the electricians are done, we'll work on the garage, get it cleaned up. But for today, I'm cleaning up all this stuff and I'm tearing out that wall. Whew. Okay. Everybody got that? Nobody missed behind? We're on the same page? And yeah, I need a vacation. Okay. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Okay, thanks for watching. Day number 20 is coming to a conclusion, close, whatever, finished. Day 20. All right, anything on this side? No, same old stuff. Nothing was done here. Okay, this one I'm working on the security camera through that hole right there. But that hole is just a little bit too small. So I'll have to figure something out. Anyways, I swept, as you see. I cleaned up all the spots. Let's walk around a little bit. Let's go this way. Got that trash bin still here. They're going to probably take it away tomorrow or the next day. Still got more trash to put in there. So the AC guys are done for now. I think they cleaned up everything over here. Let's see what we got. Sorry about that. Okay, I needed 2 hands to open that door. All right, so we got the plywood, we got the opening up there. So there's our fireplace, our vent for the fireplace. Maybe tomorrow I'll go up there and show you the AC unit, the condenser unit, whatever they put up there. There's the fireplace. Anybody want it? Yep, highest bidder. Highest bidder. Okay, backyard. Nothing done in the backyard, so we're all good here. Let me go back inside, show you what I did. Not much going on today. Contractor, main guys were not here today. I guess they're working on their truck. We had the AC guys working and the electricians working. That's what was done today. So, there we go. Okay. Let's go inside as I lock up the house. Okay, the floor's nice and clean, polished, waxed, ready to eat. Yeah, sure. Okay, we ran the wires here for the recessed lights and ceiling fan. And new thermostat is going to go over here to this wall. That's going to be the thermostat. Here's the intake for the condenser unit. So room's nice and clean, or a little bit clean at least. I sprayed for the termites. I already sprayed around, so every day I'm going to spray. Hopefully it'll absorb into the wood. So obviously our trash that we picked up. I got to get these bathtubs out of here. I'll try and work on that tomorrow maybe. Fireplace is gone. I'll clean up those woods on the edge before we put the drywall in. And we're going to see if we're going to put the TV here. So I need to put some support beams across in case I do put the TV there. If not, I'll put the TV over here and then I'll cut out and I'll put it in later on when I put the TV up. Anyways, so that's my story here and I'm sticking to it. Oh, we got to close the window. So. All right, so we had the AC guys here working on the AC and running the AC ducts and doing all the thing upstairs in the attic. There we go, okay. Sorry about that. All right, shut the windows. Okay, so now let me shut this door here, and then I'll tell you what I did today, which you saw probably earlier. I don't even know why I put this board here. Somebody's going to break in and come through the other window. Okay, so like I said, this is the old condenser unit. That's being taken out. So I took out the door, took out the wall. This is going to be drywalled in, framed in. And then all the back behind this is all going to be taken out. And that's all going to be taken out. And it's going to be reframed in with drywall. And we're going to make this the pantry. So it's going to be a huge pantry. So I don't know how I'm going to do it. I don't know which way I'm going to do it. But I'll figure it out. Washer and dryer goes here. All right, you know the master bedroom. All cleaned up now. So we are making progress. Now, Am I done with all the tear out? I think I'm almost done with all of my work. I think I'm done. I don't think I need to tear out anything else. So once this condenser unit's taken out and this is framed up and drawn everybody in, I'm good to go. Then it's just here in the garage. Sorry if you continue this video. I hit stop instead of pause. Anyways, here we go. So now I cleaned up the garage. I cleaned up all the cobwebs, all the stuff on the sides. So now all we have to do is wait for the guys to come in. They're going to put in a new drywall here, new drywall over here. We're going to float everything, primer, paint. So the garage is probably, I think, going to be coming out first. And then they're going to work on these things over here, moving the closet and switching out the water heater to a tankless water heater, which will be mounted outside. So this will be all closet. And then this will be all garage. Stories must... You can tell I'm tired because I can't speak. So anyways, day 20, conclusion. Thanks for watching, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. You know what to do, when to do it, how to do it, and where to do it. Talk to you later. Bye for now.